It comes in a packing with this thermocol. We need to open the screws. This is a sparrow lever. The sparrow lever is to be fitted here. There are two screws here. They have to be removed. This is how the sparrow lever is fitted. We take out the screws which we had taken out are again fitted back with the sparrow lever in position. These screws should be loose, should not be fully tightened. So the sparrow lever should drop when it is left free. Then we have a handle which you have to assemble it here. Now the unit is ready for use. It's got a lid. It's got a capacity of approximately little more than half a kg. So a sachet of half a kg of any PVA white glue can be emptied into this. We have a PU roller which can be just removed with ease here for maintenance. It can be washed with normal tap pressure water, and to fit it back we fit it like this. Just bring it in position here, press little and bring it here. Okay. We have here 4 brass screws, brass knobs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have here doctor blade. So this is to increase or decrease the flow. When you turn this knob clockwise, the doctor blades create more space for the glue to come out, thereby creating more flow. And that the reverse, when you do anti-clockwise, you are decreasing the flow. Normally this unit comes with a factory setting. This stand is for resting this whole unit when not in use. We have filled the glue men with white glue and we start our pasting. Now we see part of it is overlapped, part is not covered. We pull the sparrow lever and with the dry roller we just even it out. We now see that the whole panel is evenly spread in half the time, absolutely no wastage and uniform spreading of the white glue. There is no stress, no mess with Hanfast glue men. This Hanfast glue men is absolutely rust proof. It can be dipped in a bucket of water for cleaning or can be cleaned with under a jet of water by removing these 2 brass knobs. We can remove the aluminium roller. This aluminium roller has to be handled carefully and washed properly. Put it back into its place and just fix it up by turning these brass knobs. This PU roller has to be extremely handled carefully and can be removed in a jiffy by just bringing it out, putting it under the jet of water, drying it up and keeping it ready for the next use.